Food spoilage and preservation. Food is our basic requirement. It gives us energy and we remain fit. But we should be careful that the food is not spoiled. Spoilage of food. When a food item remains unattended for some days, then mold starts growing on it. The mold is a type of fungus which decays the food. Such microorganisms multiply in number and grow rapidly. The color and taste of food changes. We should not consume such food. In damp areas where humidity is very high, fungus grows quickly, therefore food spoils quickly. In dry areas, food takes a long time for spoilage because growth of fungus is slow. Food items made of milk, eggs, meat products, raw vegetables and fruits also spoil quickly. It is advisable to keep such items in the refrigerator. Some food items, like food grains and pulses, do not spoil quickly even if they remain unattended for a long time because they do not have any moisture in them. They can be stored for several months. Effects of consuming spoiled food. Spoiled food is harmful for our body. Sometimes spoiled food is consumed by mistake when food spoilage is in the early stage and it is difficult to notice the fungus. This fungus enters the body and causes diseases like food poisoning, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. If these diseases are not controlled at an early stage, the condition of the patient may worsen. Oral rehydration therapy is advisable. Food preservation. In order to avoid food spoilage, the food is modified so that it can be stored for a longer time. It has been in practice in ancient times. However, the techniques are modified in modern times. Modern techniques of food preservation are drying. Most food items have water content, which plays a leading role in food spoilage because microorganisms need water to grow. In drying technique, the water content is removed and microorganisms cannot grow and food does not spoil. Some food items are kept in sun to dry and some are dried with hot air. Freeze drying is the latest technique in which food items are placed in a vacuum chamber to remove water content. Canning. In this technique, the food is filled in a can and later air is pumped out of it. The food is sealed in a vacuum pack, which does not allow microorganisms to grow in the absence of oxygen. Therefore, the food is preserved. Curing. In this technique, the food is preserved with the help of vinegar, salt, or sugar. Some people adopt smoking method, which is also a part of curing technique. Technique of curing often changes the color, flavor, and taste of a food item. Freezing. Nowadays, most people use refrigerators at home. In this machine, the temperature is lowered considerably. Bacteria cannot grow in such low temperature and food is preserved. To preserve very large quantity of food, people make use of cold stores. Pasteurization. In this technique, the milk is heated to about 65 degrees Celsius. Then it is rapidly cooled in a container whose temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. It kills all the bacteria and milk can be stored for some time.